Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to create a consignment of more than 200 units in the Flipkart seller portal using the Smart Split option. At Flipkart, we aim to provide the best experience for the sellers by making the consignment creation process as easy as possible. For this, creating a consignment in the right order is really important. If you have a consignment of more than 200 units, Flipkart system automatically splits it based on demand, space, and stock using the Smart Split. First, let's learn how you can easily create a consignment on the Flipkart seller portal. For this, log into your seller portal and under the Inventory tab, click Consignment. Then, click on Create Consignment on the right side of your screen. Now, you need to choose a method from the two that you see on your screen. Here, choose More than 200 Units option to create a consignment of more than 200 units. After choosing the More than 200 Units option, follow these steps to proceed further. In the Flipkart Fulfillment Consignments, under the Dispatch and Delivery address bar, enter the pickup and drop addresses. Then, click Next. In the Add Product section, enter the product information, quantity, cost price, and case pack size of each SKU or FSN. Then, click on Save Consignment. Please note that any line or item section kept empty would not be considered for consignment creation. Once you have entered all the details for your consignments, click Next to move forward or click Previous to make any changes to your list. Now, select one of the two slot types, drop-in or pickup. Please note that after scheduling the consignment, the contact numbers cannot be edited. The 3PL will exclusively contact the designated person whose number was entered in this box. This option is available for both pickup and drop-in options. Click Next once you are done. Then, the system will smartly create a consignment for the selected split. Now, follow the rest of the process as usual to mark RTD, pickups, etc. You can easily identify the successful consignments among other consignments as they will have the prefix auto_. Successful creation and dispatch of consignments require timely pickups, good packaging, clear barcodes, packaging slips. Let's see how we can achieve all of these. Let's first talk about timely pickups of consignments. They are critical to ensure timely delivery and good customer ratings. You can ensure timely pickups by your logistics partner by following these guidelines. Upload the correct image of the packed consignment and clear label on the box. Upload the correct e-way bill along with the invoice and STN. Make sure that the STN value and e-way bill value match. Any discrepancy between these and pickup will not be attempted. Attach clear packing slips for pickups. This is mandatory and failure to do so will lead to inwarding delay. Please note that pickup will not be re-attempted in case the seller uploads any wrong information. Now, let's talk about packaging. Proper packaging for your consignments avoid damage, loss, returns, etc. Follow these packaging guidelines to avoid any such issue. The length, breadth, and height of the package must not exceed 75 cm. The weight of each box must not exceed 20 kg. Make sure there is no vacant space in the box. If the PL team finds vacant space, then PL, MPFBF or Flipkart will not be responsible for any damage or quantity loss. Paste the labels and packing slips clearly on the boxes without overlapping. Paste the docket ID on the boxes in front of you and inside the vacant area of the box. The consignment number and the number of boxes must be mentioned on the docket copy handed to the transporter. Paste the packing slip on each box and the scannable barcode on each product. Please share 3 hard copies of the STN or invoice with the 3PL partners. Failing to do so may lead to inwarding delays. Also, you will not be liable for compensation against delays. Use 5-ply paper boxes for packaging. Packages with shrink wrap cover, jute or gunny bag will not be picked up. To avoid rejection and further issues related to barcodes, follow these guidelines. Ensure the barcode is easily readable and scannable with FSN or EAN numbers on the label. Avoid multiple scannable barcodes. EAN must be mapped to the respective FSN. In case FSN is not being fetched from scanning the EAN barcode, a lot will be rejected. MRP labels and barcodes must be printed on high quality material for readability and to prevent smudging. Refer to Google for generating scannable FSN barcodes. While you pack a consignment, take care of the packing slip too. Use a laserjet or thermal printer with high quality ink. Avoid text smudging. Include a packing slip inside each box for all your consignments to ensure accurate tracking and prevent quantity mismatches. Each FSN with more than one quantity must be bundled together in its respective box and it must be mentioned on the packing slip. FSN quantity must not exceed the invoice quantity. Use A4 size paper to avoid rejections or delays during warehouse inwarding. Please note that unauthorized marketing materials like pamphlets, price tags, or non-Flipkart stickers are prohibited. Flipkart doesn't accept pre-priced labels or products. We hope this video helps you with creating consignments for more than 200 units. Thank you for watching and happy selling.